Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete FB watched video history in one click, and this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open or launch your Facebook application, and then you have to click your profile at the top right corner. So let's just say you want to delete all your Facebook videos searched or watched. So again, you just have to click your profile and then tap this gear icon right here. Now under settings and privacy, you have to scroll down till you see activity. Okay, so we have here your activity and then click this activity log to be exact. Now, welcome to activity log. You just have to scroll down under archive trash activity. You will see this public post, story, following. You have to look for videos watched. Okay, you can also see here video search. So if you want to delete all your videos watched, you just have to click this one. You will see all the videos that you have watched right here and clearly. What you're going to do is you have to click this clear video watch history, as easy as that. If you tap this three dots, then you can delete it individually. You can delete it one by one. But if you want to delete all videos here that you have watched, just click this and then tap clear. As easy as that. One more thing, you have to make sure also that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. If you want to restore a deleted video, you just have to go to trash and then restore it. As easy as that. Thank you for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial or new topic, just please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.